What up, YouTube? Go farm back for the video on this beautiful day, y'all. But it's almost fall spring. Yay! Fall spring, food spring. It's all the same spring. Stay tuned.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay. Hey.
All right, first off, let's talk about what's a fall spring or food spring. That's when you get a week or so of spring weather where it's 75, maybe 80 degrees, and your plants say, oh, it's time for me to blossom. It's time for me to be great. It's time for me to show out. And then you get 32 degrees or 59 degrees in the daytime, and then wipe off all your blooms or blossoms. Now I know you think, oh, this could never happen to me. Yeah, it can. All it takes is a few days of warm weather, and your plants will think it's time to start blossoming and think it's spring. So no matter what, just be on the lookout. It's a bad thing, but look, let me show you some of my stuff. All right. Let's start out with this royal apricot. Now this hasn't been in the ground a whole month yet, but look at that. It's ready to bloom. They say it's warm enough for me. I'm ready to get out there and get life started. But hold on, kid. Hold on. 30 degrees, 32 degrees gonna knock all these flowers off and kill them, which means AKA no fruit. No fruit for you. So yeah. It's happening to me. It's happened the last 2 years. Look at that. You see that green right there? It's green right there. It want to pop, but it's too soon. All these. Now this is my red globe peach. They ready to pop. Look at that. See the pink already starting to stick out? Yeah. So, if that flower blooms out and it gets below 32 degrees, it could kill it. Of course, the sun don't want to work with me today. All of those get ready to do something. Hold on, too soon. Look at that. Too soon. This how come I never get in the plum. This will bust in probably a day or two. And then the colds will come and say, took that. And you get no fruit, y'all. Everything is about to bust. This is sad. Now, at this point in the video, I know everybody wondering, hey, bro, what can I do? Bro, you got all these questions, all these problems. What's the solution? Pray. I've seen people spray dormancy spray and cover up your blooms. And some of these trees are 7, 8 foot. I'm not getting out here with no blanket or something trying to cover up 8-foot trees. It's what it is. You hope for the best. I mean, it is a couple things you probably could do, but I'm not willing to do it. It's a lot of work for a lot of fruit. Hope for the best. Just cross your fingers. Okay, the one fruit I want to taste worse than anything is these Pakistan mulberries. And these just leaves here. These aren't flower buds. So it's okay. I'm not worried about that. I'm more worried about the flower once it flower out. Leaf bud, hey, leaves come, leaves go, no big deal. You can't eat leaves anyway. Yeah. That's the leaf bud. Hey, how about you focus in? God, Lee, you got spring fever too? There you go. That's just a leaf bud. We ain't worried about that. All right, now we come to the problem. These are blueberries. When I say I got blueberry, there go a bee. Big B, big B. Go ahead on, B. Go ahead on, B. Come back later. But I literally got flowers everywhere. Now these blueberry flowers are a little more cold hardy. I want to say last I checked on it, it was 20 to 23 degrees before they would actually die, which is not out of the question of getting 20 to 23 degree weather, but I don't think it's gonna happen. But I literally got flowers everywhere. Look at the bee. Look at the bee. Y'all see the my bad, bee, my bad, bee, my bad, big guy, my bad. But all of my blueberries about to bust. So I ain't not worried about the blueberries. I think the blueberries will be all right. Even these are starting to come out. Yeah. All right, let's talk about a little different bloom. Now this is my citrus Harvey lemon. These lemon trees bloom all year round. It really don't matter. A couple blooms get knocked out, they just keep constantly putting on blooms. It's not a big deal. It's not the same as when you're talking about fruit trees that's in the ground that need cold hours and all this other stuff. These lemons are way different. Don't worry about lemons. They're gonna keep blooming, keep dropping, keep dying, keep blooming. It's a constant cycle. It's just putting on blooms and dropping them. That's what it does, especially this time of year. Even my finger line, I have blooms coming on it. Y'all unfamiliar with a finger line? Do some Google research, baby. It's called the citrus caviar. Now another little bloom I'm happy to see coming. This is a Pakistan mulberry that I propagated. I just cut it off, put in some rooting hormone, and put it in the soil. So all blooms ain't bad. Some bloom good. It just all depends what time of the year it is and what tree you're expecting it from. All right, so in conclusion, depending on where you live at and the weird weather you get, a lot of people get false springs or food spring, and some people, I've heard Indian summer. I don't quite think it's the same, but in doing research, I heard something about Indian summer. Who knows? I don't pay attention. Y'all know who that is. But the main thing is watch your blooms. If it blooms too quick, pray, cross your fingers, and it is what it is. A couple of my trees, I haven't got fruit for the last 2 years because of early springs or false springs. So don't fret, man. Just enjoy life, enjoy your fruit trees. Sometimes you're gonna get fruit, sometimes you won't get fruit, but enjoy growing a tree.